Hi friends, welcome to my little kitchen. Today we are making matar chaat. So let's begin. The ingredients required for making matar chaat are cumin powder, red chilli powder, chaat masala. These are the chaat puris which are available at any chaat shop. Sweet tamarind chutney, coriander finely chopped, save, curd which I have put little sugar, 1 tomato finely chopped, 1 onion finely chopped, and these are the white peas. I have soaked them overnight and then I have put water in the pressure cooker along with the peas and boiled them. I have added little haldi and little water and salt and I have taken 2 pressure on high flame and 3 pressure on low flame. Firstly, let's take the boiled matar. Finely chopped tomatoes, and coriander. Masalas, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon chilli powder. You can adjust it according to your taste, and chaat masala. I am not adding salt because I have already added salt to the matar while boiling it. Now take the puris and arrange them on the plate in which you are going to serve them. Now put the peas masala which we have just made. Now we are going to add dahi, nice creamy thick dahi, to which I have added little sugar and tamarind chutney, and lots of save. Yes, now our matar chaat is ready. Please like, share and subscribe to my little kitchen to see such delicious and yummy recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.